Hey everybody, Eric here from Around to It Videos, and it's a great day out here on the pond over at my friend Fred's house. There's one of his horses, there's the other one up there. And it's a little too windy to fly today, but we're gonna run a boat. That's gonna be a lot of fun, and let me show you what we got going on with this boat. Now this is the Admiral 40-inch electric speedboat, and I've got the GoPro Hero Cam on it. So we're gonna give it a little test run, see how it does out on the water. Not real impressed with the boat, but I want to test it out, test the Hero Cam out on it first before I put it on my other boat. So let's give it a run. See you later.